Hi guys, okay, so today I am walking through Leicester Square and Piccadilly Circus. I'm taking you on a journey of the elegant, the trashy, the corny, the classy for King Charles III and Queen Camilla Coronation Souvenirs. This is the 26th of May, so we're only 7 days away from the coronation. Now, let's start. Right, what have we got here? God Save the King, Charles III. Look at this little one up here. He's looking pretty well in that though. Now, everybody's going to be wearing their flags and their little beanie hats with the British flag on it. Let me just show you some of these. So these are the mugs, the commemoration mugs for the King. I think he looks quite well in that. That looks quite filtered. Filters are very much alive in the 21st century. Oh, here's the King and the Queen together. This mug is $9.99. What have we got here? A little box of sweets. Of course, Her Majesty is there. Oh, we can't forget Princess Diana and the Duke and Duchess of Sussex, who will not... Well, the Duchess of Sussex isn't attending, but he will. And look here, little bobble heads of the King as well for $7.99. So this is what we have at the moment in Leicester Square, your standard little souvenirs. And that is the flag we expect thousands of people will be waving on the day. And here's another commemorative flag just flowing there in the wind. And I want to show you a variation on the mall, and let's see what else they have on offer along Leicester Square. Oh God, these are so tacky. Tacky but hilarious. Look at these. So we got the plastic cups for the day that's in it, and people will be toasting the King down by the palace. And there's more souvenirs. Oh my God, these hats, really? Not like totally feeling this one. Thank you. Sorry, I'm not feeling that one, but this is all their King's souvenirs. Right, have you more? Hi guys, say hi. You're selling any more King's souvenirs?
Yeah, we have a lot of...
Let's go. Show me where I'm going. Excellent. Right, let's have a look. Now we're talking. All right, you guys, here we go again. Celebrating the life of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, and then celebrating the coronation of His Majesty King Charles III. Here we go again. Another cup. Is that a different one to the one I just saw? So these are the mugs they're promoting at the moment. So this is all Leicester Square, guys. So this is exactly where you need to come if you want to buy any of these. I'm not quite sure. Well, we're in Piccadilly Circus now. So sorry, you're right. But they're so close to each other. So what's this here? Let's have a look. The coronation of His Majesty King Charles III. Not quite sure what that is. And it comes with its own little box there as well. Okay, so the crowns and the foot soldiers of the King stationed here. There's the crown. Oh, let's have a look inside here actually. I see a huge flag. Now, because there's music playing inside here, I don't want to be done for copyright, you guys, so we might just show you some of these. Ooh, I like that black tote there, it's kind of cool. I might get that for the day. I think it's quite filtered, isn't it? He looks quite well in that. He looks very well in that. Okay, as we're stopping outside Waterstones, the flagship Waterstones in London, in this area. Here we have King Charles III, the 6th of May coronation, and books about the King, including The Making of a King, King Charles III, the King and his Queen. King Charles III by Sally Bedell Smith. All these books you see here in the window. Commemorating the King. This one was quite fun actually. Oh, here's the kids' King books. Oh my god, these are great. Look at these, you guys. Queen Elizabeth's wardrobe, remembering our Queen. Winnie the Pooh goes to London, King Charles, Mr. Men, Little Miss, the new King. Oh, these are adorable. I'm sure they can be all bought on the website of Waterstones, and we'll put a link to that underneath. And you have Peppa, of course, Peppa Pig, and the Coronation. There's one kid's book up here. Kind of enjoyed looking at this one actually. The King's Pants. Look how fun this is. Ah, look, isn't this adorable? This is King Charles's Pants. The King's Pants is the name of the book. Obviously a kiddie's book as well, but look, the characters here on the underpants. That's fun. It's a lot of fun. Now, so this is Celebrate Royalty, the coronation of Their Majesties King Charles III and Queen Camilla on the 6th of May 2023. So this is what Fortnum and Mason's windows look like in celebration. Oh, that's lovely. Look at all that. And of course, people will be buying their souvenirs inside here. They have the Coronation of King Charles coffee blend. There's organic Darjeeling tea. Oh, I love these. The Coronation of H.M. King Charles III Scottish Ling Heather honey biscuits. Oh my god, they have commemorative tins, commemorative plates. I mean, that is just perfection. And Fortnum just always get it right, don't they? Here we have another one. Shop the Coronation Collection in store and online at fortnumandmason.com. That's so pretty. And let's go here. See what's next. Seems to be another flamingo. For some reason, just like quite colourful. Is that a reindeer? Why is the reindeer here? Oh no, it's not. It's like a stag. Well, that's implied to be. Not as impressive as the stags we have in Killarney. Oh, now we're talking. Look at this. Step inside and start your next great food adventure today. Playground of delicious discovery. Wow, that's almost like a chocolate gingerbread house. Okay, that is Fortnum. Next up, let's head into the Burlington Arcade. Ooh, that's a beautiful portrait of him. Portrait of His Majesty King Charles III, painted by Alistair Barford, QEST scholar for the Illustrated Coronation Edition. Pardon my own appearance inside with him. Look at my wonderful friend Martin, you guys, one of the Burlington Arcade wardens. You're always on point, Martin.
Absolutely.
And do you believe in saying God save the King?
God save the King.
There you go. Happy coronation, Martin. I'll put him here in the background. Maybe you stand. Can you turn around, Martin, and I get the two of you together? Look at that. That's always on point, the Burlington Arcade.
The Burlington Arcade never gets it wrong.
Nobody ever comes near you guys for elegance. Thank you, sweetie. Bye, Martin. There's Lob & Co. These are famous beat makers. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at this. Look at their front now. Right, we'll go through each pane of glass. Oh my God, so there's the Duke of Edinburgh. Her Majesty the Queen with Prince Charles and Princess Anne. Very young Prince Charles there. The King, this must be the official portrait. This is the one that was on all the tea towels as well, wasn't it? And we have Camilla and Charles there, looking in at the famous boots in there. There's a very young Prince Charles. Let's see if I can bring it up for you there. Sorry, it's a bit difficult with the shine, but we'll do our best. Ooh, special shoe made for him. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh my God, they look so alike there, don't they? That's special. And this is a junior picture of him as a young boy. It's amazing how much he looks like George in that, Prince George. Sorry, I apologise. And this was his actual investiture as Prince of Wales that time, where he spoke Welsh. He was crowned by Her Majesty the Queen. That was in Wales. I think it was at Cardiff Castle, maybe. Ooh, nice little portraits here as well. Really, it's a very happy one of the King and Queen. This is another one of King Charles and Queen Camilla. And we have a shoe made especially for her as well. Charles, coronation, 6th of May. Now, ladies and gents, so this is the Buckingham Palace shop. Let's see what's on offer in the form of Coronation Souvenirs. Right, we've got tins of biscuits first. Let's have a look. Made in England. Look at the corgis. Aren't they lovely? So they have a special collection of biscuits and teas for the coronation, all wrapped up. But we're going to be most interested in the souvenir plates that everyone is going to be absolutely desperate to buy. Look at these, the coronation of King Charles and Queen Camilla. You guys, the limited edition plates, some of them are only 1 of 500 were made. There's a gentleman in there bought 2 of them for £1,000, and they were released Diamond Jubilee ones. There's one incredible china mug inside there that has been re-released celebrating the Platinum Jubilee of the Queen. There's only 2 available. Over £220. They're very good salespeople because I almost bought one. That was the Buckingham Palace shop. Now things are a bit more official in there, you guys, but here's the Majestic Gifts. So let's have a look and see. I'm sure they'll be okay about me going in there. And here is a few more unique gifts for you guys. Look at the apron. Look how beautiful she was, you guys. Look at these. So, London's gearing up. It's all Coronation Souvenirs in here as well. And these wouldn't be the official ones, but fine china mug and coaster, ballpoint pens. We have the playing cards. Oh, a bell. You could just ring your servants to come in and serve you your tea and crumpets, darlings. Oh, look at these ones. There's the Duke of Edinburgh. Pin badge. Let me move you around. Sorry. Thimbles. Playing cards. Wow. Oh, fridge magic magnet. Fancy a little bit of bling there, ladies? Oh my days. A little foot guard of the Queen brooch. This is quite fun. I'm still in awe of this. It's like such a great photograph. I just feel like it's filtered a little bit now. Do you? Hello, King Charles III. All right, ladies and gents, that's it for our coronation shopping today. Of course, I'll be filming all day and all night for the coronation for you, my lovelies. But I also have an extra special exclusive video coming your way next week before the coronation. So keep your eye on the channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time to do so. Until then, this is Sinead signing out with Free Tours by FTBFLondon.